Hi and welcome. As you can see, I am here today with Xiaomi POCO F3 and I'll be showing you how to take screenshots without pressing any buttons. First off, we have to go to the settings. Here we have to find additional settings. Now go to gesture shortcuts, tap on take a screenshot and enable slide 3 fingers down. Now we can leave. And it's pretty straightforward. Just take your 3 fingers and swipe them across the screen like this. As you can see, you've taken a screenshot. So let's try another one. For example, this screen. Again, 3 fingers swipe from top to the bottom like this. And ta-da! That's how you take a screenshot without pressing any buttons on Xiaomi POCO F3. So thank you all for watching, I hope it helped, goodbye.